Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of keeps freezing on Capcut. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of keeps freezing on Capcut, you should just go to settings. In the end, you can click on Capcut and you will enter. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that, you'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache, don't click clear data, because that can cause the errors. You can delete your account. In the end, you can go to Play Store, you can search about CapCut, you can uninstall your app, and you can install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.